Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the detailed look and what are the pros and cons of this butterfly 3-liter outer lid induction bottom pressure cooker, which is of pure stainless steel material. Yeah, see, this is the outer lid, okay, this type from the brand Butterfly, and which is in the curve in the sense this got with bulge bottom. Bulge bottom means the bottom got bulge, means extra space for the people who want sorting also, not just for the boiling vegetables or dal or cereals or something like that, but who want to sort food on in this pressure cooker. This is very useful because even though this is 3 liters, it is looking like larger volume occupancy pressure cooker, and the stainless steel quality is pretty good. It's looking decent, and the bottom also I checked, it got induction bottom and thick enough for the even spreading of the heat to avoid the burnt. The only thing I'm just little dissatisfied is with the handles. The handles are of decent quality, but the length of the handles are not that what I have expected, and the weight is here. I have just shown you, and for the safety purpose, this is safety pin. Yeah, and this is ISI certified. Yes, ISI certified stainless steel. It is mentioning stainless steel, butterfly stainless steel. Yeah. The look is very good. The look is very good, and one thing I really like about this pressure cooker is the stainless steel quality is good, and the space, even though it is 3 liters, you can cook curries in this. That is what I like personally. At the end of the video, I'll show you the online details also about this, the overall ratings and the price. And this is in the offline store, it is mentioned something like 1400, near to 1400, and online also similar prices only. Okay, yeah, this is also one safety thing which involved in this butterfly pressure cooker, which is of curve, the specific model. Let us go to the online section, and also we'll check the ratings and reviews of the users and the price. Yeah, see here, this is the butterfly curve pressure cooker where the bottom is bulge. See here, this is the one I have just shown you, and butterfly curve 3-liter outer lid induction bottom pressure cooker. Induction bottom in the sense, as I have shown in the video, it got induction bottom, means this is compatible with gas stoves and induction stoves too. The main thing here is it got 4.3 ratings. 4.3 rating because of the good quality of the stainless steel, and that too this bulging, means the bottom is wide enough, especially for sorting, which I have already mentioned. Yeah, even though it is 3 liter, it's convenient for the sorting purpose, not just boiling something. Even if it is narrow also, that is fine, but bulging, especially if you want to sort food material, then that time it would be pretty useful. And we can see some more highlights here. Let me just refresh this page once. Yeah, see here, thicker base for even cooking. Yes, I have seen that in the offline store. Triple level safety system. Okay, and the long lasting durability and high quality performance, good for lifetime. Yeah, benefits of using a pressure cooker, this is okay, fine. Yeah, it got 4.3 ratings, and many users have rated this product. Yeah, I can just keep them in the view products. If you want to check, you can check it for the more details purpose, and warranty and everything you can check here, return policy, and here once you can visit this Flipkart site and check it over here. Stainless steel pressure cooker, curve. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.